We drove through the night and we slept at the temple.
While we slept, the temple came alive with preparations for the festival.
It obviously is an important day for the people here, and a prayer is the perfect way to start the day.
Early morning, 5 o'clock I reached here, now it's 8:30. And these girls, all they've done is slept. Now it's time to wake them up.
What is this in my face first thing in the morning, yeah? Go away.
Waking up to the sound of music, drums, dancing and colors, we couldn't have asked for anything better.
Thayyam is said to be performed by the dancers when they have been possessed by the temple god.
Come.
Lovely, huh? Makeup.
Yeah. Isn't it looking so beautiful?
Like, wow.
The god has already come inside him.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm a little too freaky to go anywhere close to him.
No, you just give some rice in your hand. He's a god, yeah. How can they be harmful?
That's it? What do we do? Just give it, na?
Yeah, go and stand with those ladies at the back.
The costume looks like really heavy, like that snake thing around the waist.
It was time for the main Thayyam. And then we saw the headdress.
Oh my god, that is huge. That is huge. 30 feet long.
It was the biggest headdress I'd ever seen, and it didn't look too easy to carry.
Sir, how many of them are carrying it?
10 people to carry it. He'll put it on his head to balance that whole 30 feet tall structure. This man's going to do it alone. He has to be possessed.
Imagine a 70-year-old man and a 30 feet high headdress. Wow. Everybody's the man who's actually been possessed is not very young. He's pretty old and he's got so many clothes, jewelry and his headgear. All I know is that the leaf at the end of it is supposed to be his disguise. They're going to kill these chickens, aren't they? They're going to sacrifice these chickens. I don't want to watch.
And time to get some blessings.
I really want to know what he's saying.
He's saying, bless you all.
Sarah decided to weigh herself so she could get her wishes fulfilled. Tulabhar.
Time to find out how many coconuts I weigh.
I've just been told that I look very light, but I'm not.
Counting the coconuts tell us how much Sarah weighs and how much money has to be paid for her wishes to come true. 31 coconuts Sarah Jane weighs.
He's saying that she's become very costly.
Today Sarah shall not eat any lunch. She has already forfeited her lunch for wishes. There goes a bucket of V on the Run. Okay guys, welcome back to V on the Run. We are still on our way to Cochin. You never know what will happen. You've been seeing us driving along. We're always on our way to some place or we land up in some other place, which is the best part about this trip. We pretty much don't get too much rest besides a few hours sleeping in the car. Me, that is.
We just sleep all day long. We do nothing but sleep and change our clothes. and sleep and change our clothes and sleep and change our clothes. Because Puru doesn't even have a bath.
Purab the bully threw me out of the car.
These guys aren't letting me into the car. Every time I come close to the car, they go in front and they've locked the door. Are you gonna open the door? हाँ रिक्शा गाड़ी के पीछे
I said it was Sarah's idea to drop you off.
You won't believe it.
You don't believe me?
I don't believe this. I'm in South India, I don't know how to speak the language and they'll left me on the road.
You want to go and join her?
No. I'm fine. Right here. It's quite nice. It's open air.
Don't feel bad, Sarah. It's alright.
No, it's not alright.
She's having an experience that she would never usually have.
Are you going to stop the car?
Two friends.
Can we please stop
One
it?
villain.
Okay, they will stop the car. Wait, abhi left में रोकना.
Please come back. We really want you back in the car, Anushka. Please come back.
Did you ever do that again?
I want to come.
Bye, Rajan. Thank you. Anyway, so what are we doing now?
This is interesting. Kalari Pet. I'm sure you guys know what Kalari Pet is.
No, I don't know.
You know what Kalari Pet is?
No one tells me anything. See?
Kalari Pet is supposed to be actually the first form of martial art. Which form of martial arts do you know? Or you know all of them?
Anushka.
Gaay hamari mata hai, Anushka. Yeah, in Velapatnam, we are looking for a real Kalari Pet school. It's quite famous.
An ancient martial art, Kalari Pet. Not just a way of fighting, but almost a philosophy.
So what is the exact history about Kalari Pet? They say it's the first martial art ever.
Actually, history, it is shrouded in mystery. Kalari Pet, to start with, it was a combat. Later on, it has influenced the Teyyam which you saw today.
How old does a boy have to be with a girl before they start?
It is better to start at the age of 7 or 8. Because that is the age when you have the maximum flexibility in the body.
Wow. Look at the balance. I know.
Yes, that is exactly what you said. It is to develop the balance of the body. This is actually the combative exercise, which is the third part of Kalari. First is the body movement, second is with the feet, and third is with the sharp work.
I think it's a really good thing that there are women doing this. How long have you been?
I have been in this for the last 50 years. At the age of 9 I started, and now I am 59. You just hit me with this hand. So I defend with this.
Is there anything else you can teach us? Just like this.
I hold her from the back, her neck. You take the small finger. Yeah, that is the weakest spot.
Yeah, that is true. That's very true. Let's do that again. Come on.
Tear apart.
Please don't try this at home.
We felt like little kids in front of these little masters.
I don't want to do this. I get beaten up.
Not like that.
How?
1, 2, 3, channel.
After the break, Mother Jane rocks in Cochin, Anushka does some jamming, and Alapi like you've never seen it before.